You're a movie star, but you're not
You're
quite.
not quite there.
You're B-list.
So you are just almost. Oh.
Almost famous.
Almost famous.
Oh.
Leave it to Charlie to say B-list.
Let me see.
Nicole Kidman.
Oh, yeah.
She's singing it.
Moulin Rouge.
Yes.
Okay, flip it. Flip it.
Okay.
I have two long hairs. I can't see it.
And
Go
I
ahead.
eat carrots. And I eat carrots.
And I have this whole sexy thing in there too.
It's a cartoon. I eat
Oh,
carrots.
it's Roger Rabbit.
Yes.
Who killed Roger Rabbit?
Who framed?
The dogs.
The spaghetti.
And then you go
Oh, it's Lady in the Tramp.
What are my legs called?
It's an animated movie.
And I'm gonna.
You're gonna run.
What are these called?
They're called shins.
No, my legs.